Alien Rides here with the first look at the MSuperX 100V. I'll be doing a more in-depth review after I've ridden this wheel for a while, but here are my initial impressions after a first ride. I just got this wheel today and can't wait to do some real testing on it. The 100V MSuperX is a small production run from Gotway that is not mass-produced as of yet. I currently recommend buying the 1600 Wh 84V version, and I'll go into details as to why in another video. First of all, this thing feels fast. I haven't pushed the top end of it yet, but I definitely felt like it had plenty of power to spare, where my old V3 would be tapering out. I felt that I could accelerate with much higher confidence than my V3, and can't wait to take this on some speed runs. I found the larger 19 by 3 inch wheel to resist my smaller carves and turns compared to a wheel with a smaller tire. I had to use more of my body to carve, but larger carving was no problem. It definitely felt in between the old 18 inch wheels and the monster. The high pedals mean you probably won't be scraping at all during carving, even on hills. A huge tire mix going downstairs is a piece of cake, and I can't wait to see what kind of jumps we can do with this wheel. The seat is incredible, and I can see it being very comfortable for long rides, though I might find a way to make it a little higher, which would be more comfortable for my height. Now for a few downsides. A lot of people have had issues with the side pads getting torn up. Gotway is working on a new set of pads, and in the meantime many people are installing DIY pads. The 100V charger is also exploding right now, so definitely pay close attention to it until it's addressed. I'm also not a fan of the pedal angle on this model, like many others have said. I'll need to fix that somehow, as I find my feet hurting after a long ride on the MSuperX. That's all for now. Please like and subscribe.